If you searched how to buy shares of Kennametal Inc., this quick guide will walk you through the steps. Kennametal Inc. is an industrial tooling and materials company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker KMT, and this information is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you'll need to verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before trading. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KMT to find Kennametal. Select the KMT result that corresponds to Kennametal Inc. to ensure it is the correct listing. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the page shows NASDAQ and the KMT ticker so you know you have the right stock. Click Invest. Enter the amount you wish to buy, review the order details, and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending or executed at market open. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. The link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow this example.